Models 824 and 1256 coaxial cable strippers from the Eraser Company can be used to strip many types of coaxial cables, including semi-rigid, heliax, and RGU. Cable size can range from 0.03 to 0.43 inches in diameter, depending on the material type and construction. The Model 1256 stripper is a bench model powered by an AC motor. This foot switch activated unit can achieve a strip length from 0.05 to 1.75 inches depending on the material. A quick release coupling is used to quickly change over from one cutter head to another. The Model 824 stripper is designed for portability. This battery-operated unit weighs only 2 pounds and comes with a carrying case, charger, and adapter cord. The standard battery pack provides approximately 200 strips per charge, or the AC power supply may be used for continuous power. Depending on the material, this unit is capable of achieving a strip length from 0.05 to 0.965 inches. Both the 824 and 1256 strippers require a cutter head, which is custom built to customer-provided specifications for cable size and strip dimensions. Cutter heads will score the material, then the slugs must be removed. Eraser's coaxial cable strippers are safe, easy to use, and are appropriate for a variety of industries and applications. For more information about Eraser's wide range of wire processing equipment, contact your sales rep today.